In this video tutorial, we will demonstrate how to set up your text styles in AutoCAD. So the first thing you want to do is start a new drawing or open an existing drawing. And you can start a text style in two ways. You can type in style down at the command prompt. Let me get it typed right here. And it will open the style dialog box, the text style dialog box. Or I can go to annotate and I can click on the arrow right there, and that will open the same text style dialog box. Now AutoCAD comes with numerous styles, dimensions, tables, leader lines already set up. They're always called standard. Of course, anything in AutoCAD named standard cannot be borrowed, so you don't ever use the standard text style or standard dimension style or standard table style, so on and so forth in your drawing. You use that as your starting place or your jumping off point. So with the standard highlighted in blue, I'm going to type in new, and with my cap lock on, I'm going to type in mech text, standing for mechanical text or decimal text. Then I'm going to click OK. I'm going to highlight that, and then I'm going to select Arial. That is industry standard for mechanical text, to use the Arial font. Of course, I probably went right by it because I'm talking while I'm doing it. There it is, Arial. We'll leave it regular. We won't change anything in these windows right here, and we'll leave the height at 0. It's industry standard for most text to be 1/8 of an inch tall. But if I type in 1/8 of an inch or 0.125 here at this stage of the game, it will create a problem later. Because if I give it a height here, I will not be able to change the text height at a later date when I deploy this text style to actually use it. So we always want to leave the height when we're setting up our text style at 0. So I'm now going to click Apply. I'm then going to click on my mech text and go New, and I'm going to call it Arch Text for architectural text. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to highlight Arch Text, and I'm going to go select Stylus BT, because Stylus BT is the industry standard for architectural text. And of course, I'm going to leave the height at 0. Now, let's explain something for a minute. Just because we say it's the industry standard does not mean people are varying from that, because there's what is industry standard, and then there's sometimes what people do. But we want to teach you what is industry standard, so I'll now click Apply. And I'm going to click Close. So now when I go to my Annotate tab up in the ribbon, I can now select single line or multi-line text. So let's just do multi-line text for a moment. I'll create my top left corner, my bottom right corner, and then it asks me to start typing something. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the text I want, mech text, and I'm going to make it 0.125 in height. So now I can start typing. This is the mech text style, period. And there it is. I'm now going to go back to my mech text. I can do it here, or I can type it at the keyboard. mtext. I'll do the same thing again, except this time I'm going to select my arch text. I'm going to make it 0.125 in height. This is the arch text style. And you can see the difference between the two. So that concludes our video about how to create text styles.